Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Facebook account permanently. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application. Once you're there, tap on the three lines on the top right. And in here, head over to your settings. Go to settings and privacy drop-down box. Go to settings. And here you will find account center. Head over there. Now go to personal details under account settings section. In here, head over to account ownership and control. Now go to deactivation or deletion. Now select your Facebook account. Now select or check mark to delete account. It says that when you delete your account, your main profile and even everything else that you have added will be permanently deleted. You won't be able to retrieve anything that you have added. All additional profiles, messenger, and all of your messages will be deleted. So tap on continue. And then just select a reason you want to delete your Facebook. I'm tapping on continue again. Now tap on continue. Now just scroll down and tap on continue. Here you have to give your Facebook password, and once you tap on continue, your Facebook account will be deleted. So yeah, this is how you can permanently delete your Facebook account. Hope this video helps, and we will see you in the next video.